36th week development of the baby during pregnancy. Let's begin with the height and the weight of the baby. Last week baby's height was around 18 inches. This week baby's height would be around 18.5 inches. Coming to the weight of the baby, last week baby weighed around 2500 grams, while this week it would weigh almost around 3000 grams. Now in 36th week 2, the baby continues to build fat underneath the skin. Now this also helps to regulate the body temperature when the baby is born. The baby would also be able to breathe on its own just in case it were to be born today. The baby's skin is getting smooth and soft and its gums are rigid. Its liver and kidneys are in working order. Circulation and immune systems have also developed. The built-up fat under the skin causes the arms, legs, knees, cheeks and face to plump more and more. Now, around this time you will notice that you begin to feel an increased pressure in your lower belly and your baby is gradually dropping. This is called engagement or lightening. Now this is going to help you in a way as this makes your eating and breathing much easier. At 36 weeks, you are just 4 weeks away from your due date. The baby is going to grow till the time of birth. It is believed that around this time, every day the baby gains around 25 grams of weight. So do take good care of yourself. The 37th week of pregnancy today. Let's begin with the height and the weight. Last week baby's height was around 18.5 inches, while this week baby's height would be around 19 inches. Last week baby weighed around 3000 grams. This week the baby would weigh around 3100 grams. At 37 weeks, the baby has almost reached full term. It is practicing breathing by inhaling and exhaling amniotic fluid. It can even turn its head, suck its thumb, swallow, blink or grasp its fingers. Few weeks back, baby's skin was very loose and wrinkly. Now it is becoming much smoother due to the fat building up under the skin. The baby's lungs are well developed and breathing movements are more frequent as the baby gets the hang of inhale-exhale process. The amniotic fluid continues to decrease as the baby grows. The baby's hair has been growing rapidly and could have a full head of hair at this point. Some babies may not have any hair at all. The baby's head by now should be ready in position in the pelvic cavity, protected by your pelvic bone. Most of the fine fuzzy hair called lanugo that covered your baby from 26 weeks has disappeared. And most of the vernix, the protective substance that also covered her. The baby will swallow its lanugo and exterior coating along with other secretions and store them in its bowels. This will become its first poop, a blackish waste called meconium. Now only 5% of the babies are born on their guess date. Most of them are born 2 weeks before or after the expected due date. 38th week development of the baby during pregnancy. But before that, let me congratulate you once again today, as by week 38, the pregnancy is considered to be full term. Now, anytime between week 38 to week 42, the baby can arrive in this world. So this period is simply the midpoint of your due date. Coming to the height and the weight of the baby, last week baby's height was around 19 inches. This week the baby's height would be around 19.5 inches. Last week baby's weight was around 3000 grams. This week it would weigh around 3150 grams. Now also by week 38, the baby has shed most of the soft fine fuzzy hair called lanugo and also the greasy vernix coating, which it will ingest along with the amniotic fluid. The body of the baby will turn this concoction into dark, tarry stool called meconium. The baby's tear ducts begin to form this week and the baby may also have an inch of hair already. All the baby's organs have matured and are functioning on their own. The lungs will be the last to reach maturity. Even after the baby is born, it may take few hours before it establishes regular breathing pattern. Now the baby is going to continue to grow till the time you give birth. It is reacting to sounds, clenching its fists and thus preparing itself for childbirth. 39th week development of the baby during pregnancy. Let's begin with the height and the weight. Last week baby's length was around 18.5 inches, while this week baby's length would be around 19 inches. Last week baby's weight was around 3,150 grams, while this week baby's weight would be around 3,200 grams. Now in the 39th week, the baby may already be in the position for delivery with his head cradled in the pelvic cavity. If the baby is born in this week, the baby will most likely be healthy and all the organs would be able to function on their own. The lungs are mature by 39th week, but they won't be able to function until after birth. The brain is one of the last organs to fully develop and it is still developing rapidly. The baby is shedding the greasy white substance vernix which has been protecting its skin. This turns the amniotic fluid, which was once clear, pale and milky. The outer layers of the baby's skin are also sloughing off as the new skin forms underneath. The hair on the baby's head may now be thick and its fingernails extend beyond its fingertips. They may look long when it is born. The baby's skull bones are not yet fused, which allows them to overlap as it passes through the birth canal during labor. This is the reason the baby's head may look cone-shaped after birth. If the week passes by and still there is no baby, do not worry. Babies have the habit of not arriving on their due date. Doctors usually wait for 2 more weeks to consider the pregnancy overdue. So you're almost there and this is the 40th week of pregnancy. This week the baby would weigh around 3,000 to 3,250 grams, while the height of the baby would be almost 19 inches to 19.5 inches. Now being the last week of pregnancy, the baby is almost done with all the developing by now and it is waiting for its arrival in the new world. All the baby's internal organs are functioning, although the lungs and the brain will continue to form and develop even after birth. The baby's hair and nails continue to grow and it is now developing immunities that will be needed for its survival after birth. All of the baby's bones have hardened except for the skull, which remains soft for delivery. The baby continues to shed the greasy white substance vernix which had been protecting its skin. If it shows no sign of making an appearance after another week, it may have slightly dry skin when it arrives. The baby has now mastered all the skills it will need soon after birth. It can instinctively search for its thumb and suck it, just as it will search for your breast for a feed as soon as it is born. If you deliver vaginally, the baby's head may be shaped like a cone after traveling through the narrow birth canal, and it will emerge covered in blood and amniotic fluid. The eyes will be puffy and it will only be able to see a blurred version of you as it can only focus about an inch away. But the baby will definitely recognize the sound of your voice as it has been hearing you while inside the womb and has got used to it. Now it is believed that the labor usually starts with the waters breaking. But the reality is that even if your membranes do rupture, the baby's head will tend to act like a cork at the opening of your uterus or womb. If you lie down, however, you may notice fluid leaking. Your body will continue to produce amniotic fluid until your baby is born. Now, you must stay calm if your waters break or if you start to feel contractions. But you must call the doctor right away. You may be advised to wait at home until the contractions are really underway. So that was all with the 40 weeks of pregnancy. Wishing you all the best for your new and bright future with your baby. Also, congratulating you in advance for the new addition in your family. Hope you have enjoyed our series as much as I enjoyed presenting it. And if so, given below is our email ID. Do send in your queries and feedback to us. And hope you have already subscribed to our channel. If not, what are you waiting for? So do celebrate life, celebrate pregnancy. Thanks for watching.